Ooh, I look so good.
I have a great voice.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the Hudson. I'm feeling like a someone.
Do you like the outfit, lads? What about the trousers?
Oh, trousers? Wait here.
Let's love sign. Trousers. Trousers. You sign. Trousers. Good. Trousers.
Oh, Grace, I'm so tired. I've been working really hard.
Joe, we've one more delivery. Where's the mandolin?
Oh, wait here. Mandolin.
That's not a mandolin. It's a trumpet. Where's the mandolin?
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Boys and girls, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's Grace and her band.
Time flies by and the yellow and green stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer.
Oh no.
Thank you, Grace. I've had a great day, but now I have to go. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, Joe.
You see, I travel around. I've been all over the world. And boys, I never seen nothing like a Galway girl.